In this video, we'll be making this water notification app which help us to not get dehydrated. It reminds us every hour so that we can drink water every hour while working. So let's get started. Hey guys, I am Divyanshu Pawar. I am a programmer and content creator. If you are interested in programming, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. So we will start by creating a new folder. Right click wherever you want to make a new folder. Just make a new folder and I'll name it water notification app. Then what you wanna do is right click and then open in code. After opening it in code, you have to install and package. You have to install a package named Plier. You can do by clicking on terminal and then new terminal. Then your PowerShell window will be opened in code. Then you have to type pip install Plier. Now this pip is Python's package index which install all the packages you need. So after installing Plier, what you wanna do is create a new Python file and I'll name it main.py. You can name it whatever you want. After creating a new file, I will import this package. So I'll type import Plier. After importing Plier, you also wanna import time. So we'll be needing this time to sleep our program for an hour. So first of all, we'll learn how to send notifications to your desktop. To do so, what you wanna do is first of all write a main function. Just type if name underscore underscore equals to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. This is your Python's main function. Then I'll use this Plier module to send notification in computer. Then you have to type Plier dot notification dot notify. This will help us to send notifications in our PC. Then you have to type a title. So I'll type the title time to drink water. Time to drink water. And then you have to give it a message. So I'll give it a message and I have a code for this message, and this is this one. It is you should drink water about 15 cups. So I have copied it from Google. You can copy it from wherever you want. So I can see a mistake here. I have to put a double underscore, sorry, not underscore but double equals to. After saving the program, you can run it from here and you can see a notification right here. So as you can see, it had sent a notification to me. So now what I wanna do is I wanna run this program in a while loop. So I will cut it from here, then I'll type while true. So this loop will run for infinite times. And then I will just paste this line here. And then I want to tell you some more arguments of this Plier's notification function. So now you can what do is you can add an icon if you like. So it is app underscore icon. You can give it a path whatever you like. So I will not add an app icon for now, but I'll add an timeout. And timeout argument is that for how many seconds you want your notification to be right here. So I want it for 12 seconds, so I'll type 2. Then after this, what I want to do is I want to sleep my program for an hour. So this time.sleep function takes second, not hour. So as you know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes and in 60 minutes there are 60 seconds. So I will do is 60 times 60. So it will just sleep my program for an hour and our job is done. So now if I'll run this, then you can see that it sends me notification, and after 1 hour it will send me notification again. So that's for this video guys. This code will be on GitHub and the GitHub link will be in description. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below how you like the video. So thanks for watching and I will see you next time.